Using 3D information detection, DEEBOT can recognize beds, sofas, tables and chairs, etc., and reproduce the layout of your home, displaying it in attractive three-dimensional graphics on your phone. Open the app to access the main screen. When 2D house map is complete, tap the 3D icon to open the 3D map display page, which displays the automatically recognized furniture. Tap Home Furnishing to manually add or remove furniture items, adjust the position and size, or edit the 3D map walls. Tap Save after editing your settings. Tap Furniture Area Cleaning button, select the furniture graphic on the map. Then tap the Start button in the bottom left corner to start cleaning around or under the specified furniture. You can also zoom in on the 3D map to check the cleaning operation status. Of course, you can also control DEEBOT by activating ECOVACS and giving instructions. OK, ECO, go to the bedroom to clean. Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings.